Exercise files are provided for this particular course, and when using the exercise files, all the associated exercise files can be downloaded from the library. So ideally, you want to download the files from the library to a known location somewhere. But the good thing is they're in the library and you can download them all for this particular course. All of the files that you download will predominantly be in an AutoCAD DWG native file format. And all DWG files are saved back to a 2013 DWG format. What this means is you don't have to have the latest version of AutoCAD to follow the course. You'll still be able to open the DWG files all the way back to AutoCAD 2013. So basically what it means is you can be running AutoCAD 2013 and upwards to follow along with this course when you download the exercise files. I'll also let you know what file to use for each particular video. It might be the same file throughout the whole chapter for each of the videos in a chapter, but I'll always let you know what file to use so that you know you're using the correct file for that particular video. Store the exercise files in a known location. So as I said at the beginning, you can download them from the library and then store the exercise files in a known location. That might be your hard drive, a portable hard drive, your server. You might even store them in a cloud folder somewhere for use when you're learning and following along with the course, but store them in a known location so that you know where they are. And one little tip here to follow all the way throughout the course: have the exercise file open before starting the video. There's always a little prompt at the beginning of the video as to which file you need to have open as well, but I will also tell you verbally in the video as well. But always have that exercise file open. It saves you messing around trying to find the file in your known location while the video is playing. You've got pause, you've got play. So pause the video at the beginning, check which file you need, and then have that file open before starting the video to learn during the course.